Did you know? The AI Historian channel has gained over 300K subscribers with just 22 videos, and Stellar Saga's 407K subscribers with 51 videos, and it's still growing. And guess what? None of this work is done by humans. All of it is done by AI. Mind-blowing, right? These channels are going viral overnight, making historical short videos, and you can do the exact same thing. Stay tuned, because we're going to create both short-form and long-form videos in no time, and I'll walk you through the whole process using the amazing FocalML AI tool. This tool is an AI powerhouse for crafting stunning videos from scratch or just from a topic. Ready to blow your mind? Let's dive in. Step 1. Creating an account. Click the description link to head over to FocalML, hit Get Started, and log in with your Google account to set up your profile. Once you're in, you're all set to create your very own AI-powered video. Step 2. Creating a new project. Now that we're in, let's set up a new project. On the dashboard, click New Project, and here's where the magic begins. You can start from scratch, a script or an idea, and since we're testing AI's storytelling power, we'll go with creating from an idea. Step 3. Transforming an idea into a script. Let's give our project a name. AI explains the real reason the Titanic sank. Now, just enter this title, pick your preferred video duration and audio style, and hit generate. In seconds, FocalML's AI will build a detailed script with characters, locations, and a gripping narrative. Not happy with the first draft? No problem. You can tweak the description, edit the storyline, or even regenerate a completely fresh version. Once you're satisfied, hit continue. Step 4. Customizing your story now. Customization. FocalML breaks your story into chapters, and now we refine every little detail. Aspect ratio. We're making a short, so choose portrait mode. Captions. You can enable them, but I'll leave it off for now. Characters and locations. The AI-generated versions look great, but you can tweak them or even create your own. Voices. Thanks to 11 Labs, the AI generates realistic voiceovers that bring characters to life. Make your adjustments until it's perfect, then click Create Project. As step 5, exploring the workspace. Welcome to the editing workspace. Here's what you need to know. The timeline at the bottom lays out your chapters. The left panel gives access to styling, character management, and more. And now we're ready to bring the Titanic's untold story to life. Step 6, generating content for your chapters. Now it's time to bring history to life. Select a chapter, click Generate, and either type in a prompt or let FocalML guide you. AI will instantly generate images, AI voices, and even animated video snippets based on the script. Preview the results, tweak them if needed, and once you're happy, hit Accept. Repeat this step for all chapters, and soon your AI-powered history video will start taking shape. Step 7, animating the scenes. Now, let's add some movement. Click on a scene, hit Animate, and either enter a custom animation prompt or choose one from FocalML's preset suggestions. Watch as your AI-generated static images turn into stunning animations. Not happy? No worries. Just tweak the settings and try again until it's perfect. Do this for all your scenes, and your Titanic mystery video is now alive. Final step, exporting the video. Now, let's review the final masterpiece. Play through the video.
Imagine one of the greatest tragedies in modern history. Over 1,500 lives lost. For decades, the world believed the Titanic sank simply because it hit an ice.
Make any last-minute tweaks, and once you're satisfied, hit Export. Give your video a title and description, optional, then click Publish. Now click the 3 dots, Download, and just like that, your AI-generated history video is ready. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's create a long-form video, fast. We just made a short video, but what if we want a full-length documentary? With FocalML, the process is exactly the same. Just follow the steps we just went through, adjust the duration, and let AI do its magic. In minutes, you'll have a high-quality long-form history video ready to upload. If you want to see a detailed video, you can watch this video on my channel and in the description box.
Imagine one of the greatest tragedies in modern history. For decades, the world believed the Titanic sank, a tragic act of nature, right? Yes, the iceberg played its part. Recently uncovered evidence suggests that a fire burning deep within the Titanic's hull. You see, the Titanic used massive coal-powered engines. Weeks before its maiden voyage, what happened to the dinosaurs? About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into what's now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact unleashed fires, massive tsunamis, and blocked sunlight with dust clouds, disrupting the planet's climate. While most dinosaurs perished, some tiny survivors.
And that's how you create viral history videos using AI. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered content. Now go ahead, start your own AI history channel and go viral.